Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful, fun-filled episode of Watch Me Wrench with your host, Mr. Watch Me Wrench. This is just a quick video. I'm going to demonstrate how to reset the oil life indicator on a Jeep Cherokee WK2. This one is a Jeep Cherokee Overland with the 5.7 Hemi. About the same for all of the Jeep WK2s. Okay, so you're going to shut the car off. Do not put your foot on the brake. You are going to, step one, put the car to run. If you put your foot on the brake, the car is going to start. So do not put your foot on the brake. Get the car to run. And then within 5 seconds, you're going to press the accelerator pedal down 3 times, and that will reset your oil light indicator, or your oil warning indicator. As you can see, it just did. I had just changed the oil. It was down to 36%, and there you go. And then you're free to start the car. And as you can see, the indicator has reset to 100. I had just finished changing the oil a few minutes ago. So that's basically how you reset the oil light indicator on a Jeep WK2. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you click the like and subscribe button, I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.